Okay, so let's start our class today. We'll be going through lesson 23, chapter 7, case statement. So we'll see what this case statement is. Yeah. So case statement in SQL is used to implement conditional logic. If anyone is from the programming background, right? Uh, there are like if logic, if else, all those logics. You can implement that little bit of the same flavor in the select statement, like using the case when conditions. Okay, it allows you to return specific values based on a condition. Let's say that you can say that if salary is less than 5,000, just print out that less salary. If it is greater than 10,000, then print or greater salary or medium salary, high bracket range. You can print different labels depending upon the conditions. Okay, you can even perform mathematical conditions depending upon the conditions on the columns in the select list. Okay, right. So it allows you to return specific values based on condition. The case statement enables you to apply conditional logic to a column or expression within a select, update or delete statement. Okay. So here, like, let's say that we are selecting column 1, column 2, column 3, right? And then you can say case when condition, you can say column 1 equal to or greater than or less than, then print something, or you can say do something here. Okay, like a calculation. So here this is the example, right? So we have a employee table. I'm trying to select employee ID, first name, last name and salary. Okay, so here this whole case statement will be outputted as a column on its own, right? See, this won't will be available in the database or in the table. This is on the we are creating the on the fly column using some conditions. And we are aliasing the column as salary range. That's what it comes. And how do you get the, because this high, medium, low is not stored in the database table. It is coming from this logic here. Okay, so here what we are saying, case when salary greater than 500k, then high. When salary between 150k and 500k, then medium. Else low. Always you should have something like else. What if these conditions are not met here, then this will be taken into effect, and you can have any number of conditions. At the end you should say else, and then you should end this case with the end keyword. Okay, and then you need to have a alias. So that's how this is the data stored in the table, but this is what you see using the case statement here. Okay, so we are comparing the salary with the some static number. And then here what we are trying to do, yeah, so here again the same thing. Here what I am trying to show here, other than what we did here, here we had only one conditions. So you can have multiple conditions as part of the where condition, right? And then what needs to be printed here, it's the same thing, but except that instead of one condition, we are trying to compare or evaluate the logic for two conditions. If these two conditions are true, then it will print this. Otherwise, if these two conditions are true, then it will print this. If none of these conditions are met, it will print other. Okay, so you see here other. Okay, so this very simple case statement. It's basically for reporting purposes, and you can also use it in update. Okay, you can, let's say I want to update the salary depending on the department. For so and so department, I want to multiply existing salary with 1.1, or like if it is IT, this is a calculation. So you can also use the case statement in the update statement. Okay,